We are here to wish our father in the Lord, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleiman, a happy birthday. What do you have to say to Papa on his birthday?
Wow, Daddy, happy birthday on this special day of yours. I wish you long life and prosperity.
Amen.
And above all, Daddy, I wish you heaven at last.
Amen.
On this special day of yours, you will enjoy all-round fruitfulness.
Amen.
This day will bring you good news.
Amen.
This day will bring you blessings.
Amen.
And this day will bring you favor.
Amen.
Daddy, happy birthday.
Glory to Jesus. Daddy, Psalm 91 verse 16, my prayers for you. Many more years. Amen. Many more blessings.
Amen.
Daddy, you will live long.
Amen.
And you will enjoy the fruit of your labor.
Amen.
Daddy, we pray for you for many more years.
Amen.
For many more blessings.
Amen.
Daddy, happy birthday. May you flourish like the palm tree. May you flourish like never before.
Amen.
We're wishing you the very best of your birthday. All your prayers on this birthday, we ask God to give speed answers on all your prayers.
Amen.
Daddy, we love you so much. All your children here in Omega Fire Ministry, Ibadan Real State, we are saying to you, happy birthday. Daddy, we love you. Happy birthday.